Welcome to Omniful, your comprehensive solution for warehouse and order management. Today, we're diving into one of our fundamental features, zone creation. Let's get started. What is a zone? A zone is a designated area within the hub that can be customized to include a combination of locations, floors, aisles, and more. It serves as a strategic division to optimize processes such as order picking. Now let's understand how a zone is created. To create a zone, navigate to Zones in the Hubs section. Select a hub. Click Zones under Hub Setup, and then click on Create Zone. Provide a name for the zone, such as Shoes and Apparels. Download a sample file. And complete a file containing a list of location barcodes that will be part of this zone. Save the file and upload. Click on Create. With this, you have successfully created a zone. Once created, view details such as the zone name, a long list of locations included in the zone. You can add or remove locations from the zone anytime by clicking on Edit. Let's say you want to remove some locations. So click on Remove Locations and upload the updated sheet of locations. And there you have it, the zone creation feature in Omniful, providing strategic division, nearest location identification, and customization for specific needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.